there. Hey guys, we woke up 3 days ago or 2 days ago. My sister said we didn't wake up after 5 years of no servicing. Our washing machine stopped working, and we had dirty clothes to be washed. If not, it will be smelling damp. So we had to, come to the public wash to wash. Have you guys ever been to the public wash to wash? So that doesn't even come. But anyway, we occupied the 3. Ma scusi, lei vuole lavare? Okay. Okay. We occupied 3 spaces, but I guess there's another one there. There's another one at that place there. We occupied 1, 2, 3, and after that we're going to dry it too. So in there we have our duvet, we have our trapunti and the summer duvet as well. Then ladies will always be ladies. I'm not lazy. Like, this is like our first time. Live there. Yeah, because she normally washes her duvet every season. So this is like my first time washing at the public lavanderia. So I've never been here, and since I came from Nigeria, I've never ever used my hand to wash clothes. In Nigeria, yes, but since I came from Nigeria, I've never used my hand to wash clothes. So I was finding it a little bit difficult. I don't know if you guys can hear me because this place is a little bit noisy. But anyway, this lavanderia is good because it has a daycare for kids. It has a coffee bar, a coffee machine where you can take coffee and relax. A snack and a coffee machine. Then it has mini couches where we are seated, So yeah. So guys, I think one is done. We just have to wait for one more minute. Okay. I'm letting her do the things, she's she's
a trench babe.
She's a trench babe. Me and me are Jebo. So this one is how many more minutes?
21.
Where are you seeing the minutes?
21. 26.
But after this one, we'll go to the centro. No more waiting. If not, quasi the
I need to buy that.
Alright. Yeah. Easy.
Pesante.
No go spoil am for public. Public video. They go find us.
Only one, my God.
Uh-huh. So duvet can be so heavy. That's why we went for 14 kg.
Allora, qua 35 no.
Okay. 5 euro. 5 euro.
This duvet for this one now we need to wait.
We said we are going to use 25 and 30.
You know the issue now. We need to wait for one.
Okay.
The other trapunto leggero.
Ah, è grande.
Capito?
Big.
Certo.
We can even dry ourselves.
No. What was the weight of the clothes?
Oh, really?
I can't dry it. So I have to wait for my darling.
Okay. So like how many more minutes?
This one is 19. 16.
Okay. So at this point we're going to the what do they call Centro for English? We are going to the city center because we can no longer wait. We have to get we need to get some bikini. We need to get some bikini. Now you outside, me I dey inside. I'll be going to work later.
Make me dash money.
Okay, keep my bag there.
No,
So we're going to the we're going to the city center because we can no longer wait. So When we come back, I'm gonna show you guys how we waka.
Look at the vlogger. You have been exposed. See. So you know how to put other people's face on camera.
Yeah, for a quick coffee. Step to cut.
Sei bellissimo come vado a guardare apposta.
So basically, guys, this is the coffee I want to buy. So when it comes, I'm gonna show you guys. So guys,
È cresciuto tanto. Quanto?
Have you guys ever had caffè shakerato?
Non lo so, avrà
Let me know.
10, non lo so.
So just they speak Italiano for my ear.
Quindi mo
Grazie, baby. For the coffee, babe. You once you don't start to speak Italian, you know they hear what they get. So guys, the caffè shakerato, shakerato. Cafe Shakerato was really nice. Okay, so let me show you guys my city center. That's our Duomo. Infatti ti volevo dire che the time when we used to do. So this is my centro. There's nobody because today is Sunday. Many people are in their houses. But you should come here. If we make it agree that old man.
l'ho visto ieri.
Ah.
Siamo salutati, l'ho visto anche oggi.
Ah, okay. So yeah.
Mamma sta diventando mamma di Tati.
Capi mama, Capi Gianni. Ecco, see the store that I told you that we can get good dresses here. Like, imagine this one is fine too. Whoa, beautiful.
You wear your wedding actually. What wedding? Just wear it.
So definitely, if you come here, see that lemon one inside. Beautiful.
The kitchen.
Oh, they have beautiful stuff. So guys, when we get closer to the store we're going, I'm going to continue vlogging. For now, bye. Bye. See old couples holding hands. They're so beautiful. That's how I want to be when I get old with my husband. Like, till death do us part in sickness and in health. Why are you staring like that? Ijana, socialize woman. I know they follow you go out again. If you have to stop and greet everybody in this cafe. Allora meglio da sola.
Poi conosco persone così e poi dico che non conosco nessuno. Quando devo farmi una festa mi viene ansia perché
So guys, we're almost at the store. Close. Uh-oh. Oh, they don't open on Sunday. Okay, not bad. We'll try there. Oh, yeah. They've not said Domenica 4. Anyway, mi spiace. Vabbè, you use your old bikini. Yeah. So guys, the store we went to was closed. They played my sister 419 because online they said the store was open. Then we went there and it was closed. So sorry. So today you have to wear the bikini you have in your house. No spending too much money. I beg, let's go enter this place. No
more
socializing.
I'm even exhausted.
Face your front. So guys, somehow we found ourselves shopping. My sister is going to the beach, so she's, you know, fashionista. It's beautiful. I like the. Our cloth at this point, you don't wash, overwash, straw wash, waiting for us. That let's go.
I think we just have to. My just for the car. I want to see like this.
Beach shirt. Allora,
There, right?
this one is beach knickers. Beach shirt to be queen. Yeah. There. It's right there, up there. Yeah, just t-shirt. Are you done? Steffi. So guys, finally. And this place we are using car to go and just like now you cause all this thing no. You know if you trek, lazy girl. Independent woman. Oh my god, and the worst of all is that after all this giro, I have just 1 hour to stay at home and then I'll go to Mamma Mia. Okay. Alright guys, I'll update you guys. Guys, we're back here, our stuffs are washed and time to dry. Brava, I even like the perfume, like the profumo buono. See. So guys, we're done washing and now it's drying. This thing is really good. My first time being here. My first time being at public laundry, and I must confess I really like the experience though. So yeah, me too. The place is neat and you know, yeah. See, in fact. Finally, how many minutes? This one is remaining like 2 minutes. This place is hot. It's still rolling. Steffi, wait though. Alright. Oh. But it doesn't look dry to me though. We'll still spread it at home. Pero basta. It's done. And what an experience. I loved it though, especially doing it with you.
I imagine
It wasn't boring. That's so long.
I know, now I follow you. I don't say no.
We'll have socks, we'll have everything inside. Oh. So guys, let me know if you've ever been to the is this one dried? Second one. Finally I have a clean. I would like to see the water will come out from this thing. Really? Okay. But funny enough, this one don't know. This thing, if you stay under, the heat way they bring in. This one are very good quality. So finally we are done, and that will be all. You can't enter there. You trust me, say I go front, wait for you. What if I drive leave you? Waka come as. You waka come as. So guys, we're done for the day. Take the camera so I can change. So guys, we're done and that will be all. Thank you all so much for sticking with toss.
Why are you running?
Thank you all so much for sticking with us. And from my end is happy Sunday and have a nice day.
Best day.
Or I don't know if I'll post this thing today or tomorrow. Anyway,
Whatever. Have a nice time.
happy new week. And
Bye.
be covered under the umbrella.
Oh,
Oh God.
it's over.
We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Why do you always say that? You don't love me.
No.